Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the iPhone discoverable and the AirPods ready. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the phone is unlocked. If the case is closed, open it now. Bring the open case within an inch or two of the iPhone and watch for the setup card to appear. Tap Connect when prompted. This direct pairing uses Apple's Quick Protocol to exchange credentials with iCloud, so you pair once and gain device switching across your Apple ID. Once paired, you should configure settings to match how you listen. Open Settings Bluetooth, tap the info icon, and rename the AirPods so they're obvious in device lists. Also assign press and hold or press gestures for left versus right. Make sure automatic ear detection is enabled so audio pauses when you remove and bud. Choose noise control, transparency, noise cancellation, or off. Finally, enable spatial audio and adjust head tracking so spatial effects behave correctly. You finish by validating everything. Play music, make a call, and test the mic to confirm sound direction and volume feel right. Use Control Center to switch between iPhone, iPad, or Mac instantly. Make sure the AirPods are selected as the audio output. If pairing fails or audio drops, reset the AirPods. Put them in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then repeat the pairing process to clear stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.